What's up and welcome back. Today we're going to be walking around a 1976 Camaro. This one here has a 350 under the hood. It also has power steering. We're going to be walking around, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We do this with every car on the lot. Tons of cars to do this week, so I'll do my best to get them out to you as fast as I can. I'll be looking for chips, scratches, bondo, rust, any issues I can find, and then we'll do a test drive, point out any other flaws. That way you know everything about the car. I do have financing and shipping available. Go to maplemotors.com, check that out, look at the detailed pictures, and look at all of my current inventory. I update every Monday. Let's get started here. Coming around the front end on this one, it's in decent shape. Down the side of this car, here we go. Tires are in pretty good shape. The paint on this one's got a few little cracks down in the corner there. Coming down the lower portion. Door's a little bit off there. You got some touch-up marks in the corner. The back here looks great. Coming back to midsection, little piece there is off. You also got a scratch in the paint right there. Some dirt, pitting on the door handle. Looks like a light scratch in the middle of the door that can be buffed out. Nothing major. You probably can't even see that on the camera. Top of the fender looks great on this one. Front windshield's in good shape. Trim around the front window looks good. Looking pretty sweet. Got some dark tint in the back window. Got to have a prop for the trunk. It doesn't hold itself up. Got some paint chipping off down here behind the tag. Back bumper's in great shape. You've got a scratch right here, right around the jam in the trunk. There's some touch-up marks. Got a little bit of rust trying to come through there. It is on the bottom side too. I'll show you here in a minute. Check around all this. This side's solid. Front quarter solid too. It's on the inside there, or on the inside of that trim. This corner here feels pretty solid, but up here in this corner, a little bit weak. Let's look at it. So you got a little bit of rust popping up right there. Move my hand. They've got some insulation in this one. Yeah, some rust in the pan too. That seems pretty solid still. Still showing you that it's got it. Water got in there is what it was. I'm gonna drop this trunk thing on my head. Let's move the steak. There we go. Okay. Now we can look on this side. This side looks much better. I'm trying to make it soundproof, but I don't know exactly what that stuff can do for it. It's pretty thin. It's not glued either. Package tray, decent shape. Trunk lid itself looks good. Sorry, I'm having to mess around here. Cram my camera all into the paint, give y'all terrible shots. You do got a little chip there in the stripe, a little overspray there. Trunk lid looks pretty good. Up here on the top, you got a nice little crack in the paint. Coming down this side, spot back here in the bumper. I'm gonna have to turn around because my shadow's all in our way now. Up over the fender. And let's shut the door actually. Little spot in the corner of the door. Up over the fender. You got some touch-up marks right there. Little blemish here. And it looks like they taped that up and painted right there in the corner. Coming back to midsection. You got some scratches on top of the nose here. You got a scratch right there. And of course that one I showed you in the back. Some bubbles on the wing. It's like some light scratches in the paint. All this stuff's really small. It might not even be popping up on the camera here. There's a light scratch right there, but I am pointing it out. That way you know for sure. Also crack in the paint there. Okay, we made it all the way around this ride. Let's check out the interior and get her started. Cloth interior on this one, and the seats are a bit faded. You can see the sun's got a hold of it. Not ripped up, just faded. Door panel's in good shape. Does have a spot right there in the plastic. Weather strippings eat up right here where the door locks. Down in the corner you got a little bit of rust on the inside. Just a few little bubbles. Coming on down, bottom side of the door looks pretty good. Same with the jam. Looking at the interior, back seat's in great shape. Package tray looks good. Set of Rockford Fosgate speakers. Headliner's not bad. B&M shifter. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We'll be trying that out. See, looks pretty good. Dash has got a bunch of screws in it. I guess where it was coming up, instead of replacing it, they put some screws in there. But now what do I do with the keys? That's a big question. Hopefully they're not in the trunk. No. Let's go back here and see if I left them hanging. Sure didn't. They're in my back pocket. Cool. All right. Starts up nice and easy. Fasten your seatbelt light was on. Face to the radios in the office. Looks like you can plug your phone in down there and charge it. Gas gauge is reading a little over half a tank. We'll check that during the test drive. 77,000 miles is what it says. It's hard to stand behind that on a 76 model. Wipers work. Horn. No horn on this one. We're on a roll this week with no horns. Blower motor's blowing just fine. No AC on this one. She sounds healthy. Motor's nice and quiet, good shape. Underside, the insulation's kind of coming off of the hood. Coming on down with the hood, it comes down nice and easy. And shuts well. A little bit close on this side, the line's a little bit far away on this side, gap. Checking the edges of the hood, they're not too bad. You got some paint chipping up here. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. Check out maplemotors.com to see 100 detailed pictures. Shipping and financing is available for all these cars. And also check out the test drive that we're about to be doing. I'll drive over the camera with a light and show you the undercarriage. Let's look under it anyways. All right guys, getting ready to do a test drive video. Be sure to check that out. If you're interested in any of these cars, I got test drives and walkarounds on all of them on the car lot, and I do them daily. This one should be out today. I gotta go make the video. Same with the green one, it'll be out today. This one will be out, and then after this I'm doing a C10 before we close the lot up. Be sure to hit subscribe. Also share this video, it helps us out quite a bit, and hit like, and you'll see the test drive walk up the last 30 seconds of this video. It'll pop up right here on your screen. All right guys, thanks for watching.